So this little platform right here where I'm standing, when I was about probably 5-6 years old, I lost my first fishing pole right here. I casted it and I let go. And that was the last I seen of that fishing pole. Got some campfire chicken and potatoes. It's our first trip with the van, and it looks nice. Do this coconut! Oh, there he is. Hi, little guy.
He's so, it's actually so cute.
Alright, it's our last night out here van camping with the first run of the van. Our setup's looking a little messy. Overall, it was a nice, peaceful trip. We got our music playing, our little table set up. Our van is really messy after the first night. All of our power for this trip has been powered by Blue Yeti. This Blue Yeti, this is the first time I've ever used it. It's been really great. I got two 100-watt solar panels up on the roof, and it charged it up no problem fully in one day.